Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to upgrade our operating system from Windows to the Parrot. So before going for the upgrade, we need some steps to do that. So do not leave this video until you finish on that doing process. So just focus and concentrate on this video. I will give every step by step that you should do for that. So okay, let's start. Okay, never mind about talking much. So go to the any browser and go inside the Parrot sec organization. There is an official website of the Parrot. So before downloading that, you should consider a few things. Okay, so I think you guys are going for your penetration or ethical hacking courses or any kind of like that stops, then you should definitely go for the security addiction. And on the other hand, if you are not doing any kind of security or just trying or playing with Linux and try to understand what kind of things there are in Linux, then you should definitely go for the home addiction. So uh, you know that. So and there are other kind of version of Parrot, so you can choose and download. So today we are going to download a security addiction. So just simply download it from here, or if you have torrent then you can download from here. So I will not download because I already downloaded it. So after that we are going to download Rufus. Rufus. So this is the software that we are going to bootable our operating system. So downloaded it. I will just, so I have already done it, so just simply download it from here, and you can see here I have downloaded it. So I will just simply open. Before you open this software, you have to insert your pen drive to your laptop or desktop, any kind of device you have. So wait for a few seconds. I will just insert this on my pen drive. Okay, you can see here I have already done that. So just simple you choose your pen drive and don't do anything over here and select your iOS file. Okay, after that there is nothing to do, just start. So I will not do. So I will go outside the screen. Okay, so we say bye bye to our operating system window. Okay, so we are processing toward the Parrot operating system. Just do not forget to do those steps. So we'll see outside the screen of the window. After doing the restart, I just click F12 because it depends on your company. My company is Dell, so it works on F12. If your company is like different HP or anything else, then it depends on what it function on those. You can just take it out from the Google and just press that. So I press F12, and after that I will you can see over here there is an option USB storage device. I will just simply enter over there, and let's wait for a second. So you can see this and try install it as on our bootable pen drive. And so try install, press over here, and let's wait for a second. So I think it's a demo for Parrot. It will show some demos. Now you can see we successfully done that process. So here are a lot of icons you can see. I'll just zoom it out, and you can just try. If you are not happy with this operating system, you can just this is and try a demo type of scenario. You can just try what kind of things you can do. You can see all the application and all the places you can see over here. But if you really wanted to install the Parrot, then you can simply go over here, like you can just click it and it will process our steps. So this is our inputting steps that here is an three options you can see. If you want to do some partition, then you can just replace the partition. But I want to completely remove my Windows 10. That's why I will erase all the disks. So before doing that, please back up all the things that is important on your Windows. Otherwise, all the erase all the document or all the photos you have on that operating system will erase. That's why just keep it backup. Okay, so I will erase all the things that was in Windows 10. So let's move next. And okay, let's what's your name? I'll just put my name. So I will just put name and I will be back. So you can see I put all my name over here, and it will you can put anything, your name or anything like that. So choose your password for the login, and if you want to do automatically without asking the password, then you can just choose over here. Otherwise, just keep it was it in default. So let's move to the next step. You can see here is an partition that it has shown of the Windows. So next, and install now. So it will take like half an hour or 1 hour. It depends on how your computer is. If your computer is good and well processing, then it will take half an hour. Otherwise it might take 1 hour. So it depends on your computer. So let it be. I will be back after this. We have done all the process. So this you can see we finished the installation, and now time to restart the computer. Let's restart it, and I will be back. So you can see just choose the first one and enter. So you have to enter your login password and just use escape before while doing the installation. Just wait a second. So after the simply putting your login password, you can enjoy your operating system. So thanks for today.